forecasts for south central Wisconsin, including Madison. Rest of today, rain showers and the National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, central Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marshall, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, public. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Sun Prairie, Beaver Dam, Mayville, Columbus, Marshall, Horicon, Juneau, Fall River, Hustisford, Iron Ridge, Burnett, Reevesville, Clyment, Lowell, Chikoski, Gionsville, East Bristol, Atwater, Danville, and South Beaver Dam. This includes the following location: Horicon Marsh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the